Today I'm going to show you how to make tangy, delicious lemon bars. Everybody loves lemon bars and they're so easy to make. You only need 7 ingredients to make these lemon bars. The lemon curd filling is extra thick and creamy and sits on an irresistible butter shortbread crust. They're simply the best lemon bars and are perfect for any dessert, party, gatherings, potluck, you name it. I'd love this lemon dessert recipe so much that I simply had to make this video to share them with you. These are the best lemon bars, and I don't use that statement lightly. And after one taste, I'm confident you'll agree. Everyone needs this recipe. The process is pretty simple, and I'm walking you through each step in this video tutorial. So pick up some fresh citrus and butter, and let's get baking. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to make the shortbread crust. Then while the crust is in the oven, we'll make the lemon filling. To make the crust, we're going to mix the melted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt together in a large bowl. So melted butter, sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 and 2, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Two cups plus 2 tablespoons or 265 grams of all-purpose flour. Add the flour and stir to completely combine. The dough will be thick. So we've prepared a 9 by 13 baking sheet with parchment paper, making sure to leave an overhang on the edges. And this will assist us in pulling our lemon bars from the pan after they're fully baked. So, nice thick warm dough, just like that. So we need 1 cup of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. That should be about 4 fresh lemons. Look at these beautiful lemons. And now it's time to make the lemon curd filling. In a large bowl, we're going to sift together the flour and the sugar. 6 tablespoons or 46 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 cups or 400 grams of granulated sugar. Get this magic mixture into the sifter. And then next we're going to whisk in the eggs, 6 large eggs, and then the lemon juice until completely combined. And then 1 cup of lemon juice, fresh squeezed beautiful lemon juice. Now the crust is baked and lightly browned around the edges. We're going to pour the filling over the crust. Now we need to bake for 22 to 26 minutes. Into the oven she goes. Be careful. Hot pan, hot oven. There it is.
So do me a favor, please be sure to click that thumbs up like button. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks for watching.